just got this LED bike light set. Let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Ooh, looks good. Me likey. So, we've got a USB to USB-C. Everybody's going with the C's. Then we have this and the connector. So that is your backlight. And then we have, oh, this must go around something that puts in, and you put your light in there. You know, so we have to figure that out. Here's another one, because there must be two of them. And last but not least is the big old light. Check a look at this thing. Get her out of her package. Oh, wow. Look at that. That thing is sick. So the way this works, this would be on your front handlebars. And then this, you set like that and twist it, and it's in. Let me show you. So look, you see you've got like these little channels here. And on here, you've got these little tuberosities that stick out right there. See that? So I match it like this, and then I turn it. And then I can put this on my bar, right? Let's see if it works. Let's go ahead and do a. Let's see how we turn it on. I think we turn it on here, I guess. Oh wow, yeah, it's already got power. Look, and I think it's like half power. So that's pretty bright, right? Oh, that's even brighter. Look, more power and lighter. All right, so let me go through them. All right, there we go. 1, 2, 3. And then I think if I hold it, it turns it off. Turn it on, I hold it, pops on, and then I can go through them. 1, 2, oh, look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6, and push and hold. And it's off. So yeah, that thing works good. Now this, I think I have to unwind this like that. And then I pull this out, then I wrap it around the bar, put it back in, and see how, and then I screw this back on. Let me see which way it would go. I think it goes like this. All right, so there's holes on one side and not on the other. So I think you just go like that. Yeah, that's it. And then you can just tighten it down. As you do it, it gets tighter and tighter. So depending on how thick your bar is, right? So that's that one. This one you wrap around like this, and you hook it on there. So you got to kind of pull it, twist it, and then get it on this that little lip right there. You see that lip? Got to get it on there. So we'll put this on the bike and see what we think. I'm going to pretend like this is my fingers are the bike hole. And then I just come up and just get it right on there. You see that? So now it stays on there. And to get it off, you just pull it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. This side is smushed in. So look, you can also do this. Look, if you've got a little thing that you can slide it on, it's got like a little clip. But the way they were doing it is you slide this down that clip like that, and then you put it on the bike. And then to charge them, we've got USB-C to A. And the great thing about this is that I already have all those cords. Here's the charging port on this one. So let me go ahead and get the USB-C, and we'll just plug it in, right? Just plug it right in there. Okay, so that's in, and you can see it's charging because it's blinking. So that one's charging. And then we've got this one here, and now we just got to find the charging port on it, and it's right here. So I got to pull that open. See the charging port right there? And then I got to get another one of these, which I think I got one somewhere here. Yep, there's one right there. And then I just push it in there. And bam, that one's charging. So yeah, so we'll just let these charge up, and then we'll put them on our bike, and we'll take it for a bike ride. How's that sound? Yeah.